Good morning to all. Now today we are going to start our new session. This is for class 8th. Class 8th you have to do your GK from this book EduCandle Knowledge Portal. This is for class 8th. Now we are going to start our first chapter. First chapter, Animal of Our World. World is full of thousands of different kind of animal. These creatures include mammal, bird, reptile, fish, insect and more. Our world consists of different type of animals in which mammals, birds, reptiles, all these are included. So we are going to start our first chapter exercises now. This is on page number 7, exercise B. Name the following animal using hint provided. We have to write the name of these animals. So first one is Adex. First answer is Adex. Second answer is Bulbfish. Second answer Blobfish. Second answer is Blobfish. Now third answer Markhor. Markhor. Then fourth answer Boreal. Then fifth answer is Gharial. Next, sixth one Sailfish. Sailfish. Then seventh answer is Alpinibex. Alpinibex. The next eighth one Pangolin. Pangolin. These are the answers. Now coming to the C part, write one special characteristics or use for each of the following. You have to find out the characteristics or use of these. First one is elephant's ear. The answer is when elephants feel hot, their ears work as fan. Their ear work as fan. Now second, camel hump. The answer is despite of the camels hump, it has a straight spine. It has a straight spine. Now third one is grasshopper's knee. Grasshopper's knees. Grasshoppers have ears on their knees. Next one is bat's eye. Bat can see with their eyes, but not clearly, but not clearly. Next, frog's eye. Next, frog's eye. Frogs have eyes on the top of its head so that it can see clearly when it is under the water. Frog have eyes on the top of the head so that it can see clearly when it is under water. Next, giraffe's tongue. The food of most of the giraffe is acacia leaves, which is protected. So the giraffe's tongue is so long that it helps them to eat acacia leaves. The food of most of the giraffe is acacia leaves, which is protected. So the giraffe's tongue is so long that it helps them to eat acacia leaves. This is the answer. Now coming on to next page, chapter 2. Chapter 2, magnificent mammals. See, across the world there are more than 5,000 species of the mammal which are found on the land, in the sea, in desert, and as well as on the pole. These inhabit also include human beings. In mammals, human beings are also included other than these animals. So now let us fill the exercise 1A. Try to find out the answer of the following questions. First question, answer is first part. Then second question, answer is second part. Third question, answer is second part. Then next 4, the answer is second. Then next 5th, the answer is second. Now B part, read the clues and fill in the box to the name these extraordinary mammal. First one is bonobo. B-O-N-O-B-O. Bonobo. B-O-N-O-B-O. Then second one is P-A-N-G-O-L-I-N. Pangolin. 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 Then third one is otter. 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 Then fourth one is swala. Saola. Then fifth one is okapi. 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 Now see, write true and false for the statements. So first one is false, second one is true, third one is false. Then coming on to next page, chapter 3, mighty dinosaurs. In this we will read about the dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were prehistoric animals. They probably live on the earth for an extremely long period, some 150 million years. Nearby 150 million years they had lived on the earth. All the dinosaurs disappeared about 64 million years ago. About 64 million years ago, they got disappeared from the earth. Many scientists believe that they become extinct as a result of the climate change when a large meteor or a small asteroid struck the earth. Many scientists believe that because of the small asteroid that struck to the earth, because of that this dinosaur disappeared. Now coming on to the exercise part B. Now answer these questions and find out how much you have learned. So first answer is Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus rex. Then next answer is Troodon. Then next Hadrosaurus. Then next answer is Triceratops. This is the answer. Now coming on to next chapter number 4, amazing body parts. Some animals are having especially parts of their body by which help them a lot in doing their regular activities or escaping them from any difficulties. So here is A part. We have to solve this. Here are some queries about the animal which have extraordinary body part that help them survive and fend off their foes. Try to answer. It is to attract female. It is to attract female. Next, second question. Nasal tentacles. Next, third question. Answer is large compound eyes. Now coming on to B part. Know more about your body and attempt this quiz. Now which is the longest bone? Femur. 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 What are floating ribs? Ribs from the spinal cord which are not attached to the vertebral column. Vertebral column. Next, question number 3. The correct answer is B. Question number 4. The correct answer is C. Question number 5. The correct answer is 1 lakh. So today till page number 13 it is over, and now from chapter number 5 I will give you next class. So your homework is now you have to do this in book and you have to learn it by heart. Today till chapter number 4 I had completed your portion. Thank you.